humans are really good at kind of deep understanding and focusing on one thing, but when it comes to lots of different factors and seeing how they fit together, that can be quite a challenge. Whereas for an AI model, finding those patterns and finding these things is quite easy. So we have a few examples where we've used this sort of agentic AI integration to do history matching. So for when the history matching is really complex and none of your algorithms are working, you can put a layer of AI on top. You can say, look, I've ran all these models, take all this information in and see if there's any patterns that I've missed that I can try. So it's not taking us out of the equation. It's not taking your engineer out of the equation. All you're telling is, like, look at all this data, give me some patterns that I can then use to do my work and do some further analysis or further matching or further things. So we have actually a few users, a few clients use that type of AI integration before.